This 2024 Airstream Caravel 16RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 16 feet 5 inches in length and features a pewter interior with autumnite wood interior, sleeps 4, external shower, water heater, auxiliary battery, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, DVD player, spare tire kit, stove top burner, leveling jacks, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front dinette, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Airstream Caravel 16RB is 3,474 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.